I found a condo for $154 a month, but because it's cheap, doesn't mean you have to sacrifice on quality. Join me and find out. G'day, it's Texie here, and welcome back to the channel. I know one of the really big draw cards about wanting to live here in Thailand is the cost of living. With that in mind, I'm starting a series today where I'll go have a look at condos for under $300 a month. Today, I'm at the Laguna Beach Resort, where you can get a condo for only $154. That is actually insane that you can get a condo for that cheap. Join me while I'll do a tour of this condo and show you what $154 a month gets you. Okay, this is the condo. Let's see what we got. So we got a microwave, we got a 2-plate burner, got a bar fridge there, decent size. Got some cutlery, cutting board knife, more cutlery. Oh, some pots and pans, that's pretty good. This is the bathroom. Not overly big, but it's good enough. Dining table, chairs. This is the bed. Pretty soft. Got a little TV there. It's also got a modem. And here's your balcony. The obvious thing it is missing is a washing machine. I'll look around and see if there's a laundry nearby. So if you were to rent this condo, you would know where you can go get your laundry done. And then you got the closet here. Not overly big, but if you haven't got a lot of things, then you'll be alright. There's a few stores inside the condominium building. The convenience store offered laundry service and a ring cleaning service, which I thought was pretty convenient. I've just come out the entrance of the condo, and there's literally a Tops and a 7-Eleven literally right next to the condo building, so you can't really get any more convenient. You can't get any more convenient than that. That's definitely one of the things I'm liking about this condo. There's a lot of convenience here. Like, you don't have a washing machine in your room, but there's a laundry service in the condo. So I definitely love the convenience of this condo at the moment. The condo building is located just off Jomtien Second Road, probably about 3-4 minutes drive from Jomtien Second Road. And I just had a look. If you want to go to the Jomtien night market, which is a really common, which is a popular place to go eat of a night time, it'll only take you 8 minutes by car. So I'm definitely finding the location here is very convenient. Next to the condo building, there's a massage parlor, a nail shop, pharmacy, and there's also a laundromat. So definitely a lot of convenient options right next to the condo building. After grabbing some goodies from Tops, on the way back to the room, I thought I'd just show you the sauna, the massive pool, huge pool, lots of room to swim in, and also the gym. All in all, I think the amenities are actually pretty decent for what you pay here. There you go, guys. This has been a condo tour of a $154 per month condo at the Laguna Beach Resort 2. And I must say, I think it's absolutely crazy you can get a condo here for $154 a month. That is so cheap. Now, there was a few things I didn't like about the condo. I don't really like the studio room sort of setup. I at least like to have a separate living room and bedroom. But, you know, it is what it is. I also don't like that the condo doesn't have a washing machine. But that's just me because I like to do my own laundry. But there's definitely the convenience of you can get the laundry done here in-house, or there's a laundromat just next door. So it's not really that big of an issue, I don't think. And I was actually really surprised about the location. I'm not gonna lie, I was a bit worried before I come here and did the condo tour that it's a little bit off Jomtien Second Road. So I thought it might have been a bit away from things. But you literally have restaurants, pharmacy, laundromat, Tops, 7-Eleven, right outside in front of the condo.
So you don't even need to go far to go do anything. And like I said earlier, the Jomtien night market is only an 8-minute drive. So if you want to go down the beach, it's not that far to go. All in all, I think this is actually really, really great value for $154. I'm actually very, very impressed. It's a lot better than what I thought $154 a month would get you. So guys, let me know in the comments. Do you think this is a great deal for $154 a month? I do. Would you live here? If you like this video, make sure you stay tuned. As I said, I'm starting a series where I'm going to be doing condo tours of condos that are under $300 per month. I have a few more coming up in the next few weeks. As always, I very much appreciate your support and watching my channel. Until my next video, enjoy a great day here from paradise. Bye for now.